Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Pooja's Diary. Today is 21 September, Wednesday, and I have finished all my household works. Then I am here at 9 o'clock. I am just writing my to-do list so that I will sure about what to do all over the day. It helps me to manage time and I just try to complete my chapters within the time. Now I am studying economics and the chapter was industry. I got some onion, tomatoes, ginger and garlic, and this is my fish here. I am going to make fish curry. I have sprinkled some turmeric powder and salt. She is my pet cat Puchki and she is waiting for her meal because the lunch is fish today. I am frying the pieces and after that I have done the curry. It's around 12 o'clock and the chapter of industry was not finished yet, so I have to study again. It was raining from 2 hours. I love rain, so I have clicked some videos of raining also. It's 1:30 p.m. and I am just eating my lunch. And in lunch, this is rice and fish curry, and it was very delicious. Then I have taken my medicines. It's 5:30 p.m. and my tuition was done and I am going for a walk. Look at the scenery, how beautiful. Here I am studying Indian polity fundamental rights, and after that I am meeting some charming, and that's the end. If you like my video, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care, and see you in the next video.